Untitled Chapter.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing just a simple little fall makeup look, whatever, something really cute. It's gonna be a voiceover. I might talk a little bit through the it's gonna be a voiceover. I might talk a little bit throughout the video, but I'm not sure, just because my kids are in here and I don't want to have to keep trying to talk over them. And I'm playing music, not playing music, but they're watching cartoons and stuff. Trolls, which I know got singing in it, and I don't want to get copyrighted, so it's probably gonna be a voiceover. But anywho, I'm just starting off with my brows, y'all. So we're gonna get straight into it. I'm taking this NYX brow pencil, eyebrow powder pencil, yeah, in the color Espresso. It's just a regular eyebrow actual pencil. And let's get it started. Let's get it cracking in here. I'm just playing. All right, so here we go, y'all. I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I need to get some more of this. I really love this. This is Camo e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Yeah, I need to get some more of this. It's almost gone. Eyebrows look so bad. I mean, they don't look bad, but I mean, they need to be done. Alright, so I'm gonna prime my skin real quick with this e.l.f. I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and I'm starting with this brown shade. guys, so I got my lashes put on. These lashes are from my lash brand, Baddie Lashes, which launches on October 30th. So depending on when you see this, they may or may not be out yet, but I will have my website linked in the description box once, you know, they're live and such and such. They too fast. They too fast. Alright, anyhow, I'm gonna do my face routine real quick.
I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash.
Okay guys, so I'm back. I don't really remember where I left off at, but I know I did add black eyeliner in my waterline. I put a lip gloss on. I put in some earrings. I think that's it. So this is gonna be the final look, guys. Super cute. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. If you made it this far, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay? Alright, y'all.